Braaescapades, if you saw one or ever saw one. I am 20 miles east of the Snoqualmie Pass in Washington State on I-90. No end to this blizzard in sight so far. I should be taking off my snow chains that you can hear clonking against my fender because I couldn't get it on tight enough. Hello everybody. So I'm traveling for work again. It's not really a it's a Braaescapade. I'm driving through a blizzard. That's the escapade. Escapade, I suppose. Actually going from SeaTac to Spokane, then all the way on to Missoula, Montana in this weather. We got a blizzard watch warning, a weather warning, blizzard watch all the way through tomorrow morning here in Western Washington. I'm in Eastern Washington now. So that means this could go on through the whole state, or the whole 300 miles of it. Right now I'm currently doing 25 miles an hour with one snow chain on correctly, one snow chain on good enough. It's 27 degrees Fahrenheit outside and blizzard conditions. I'm set to get to Spokane. Right now it's 12:49 a.m. I'm set to be there at about 4:30 in the morning. And then I'm not sure how long it'll take to get to Missoula after that, because there are more mountain passes between Idaho and Montana that look like this. So once I stop and take these chains off, if that happens, I'm gonna have to stop and put them back on again, most likely. At least once, maybe 3 more times before I get home. Right now I'm just bored out of my mind. I don't even want to listen to the radio. The tick 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 of the snow chain. It's annoying. But this is what we do. This is how we get paid. The worst part about this kind of stuff is that they don't pay any extra. You got to go through this crap. You still get the same amount of money. But I'm one of the few people who has experience in this kind of climate and actually will take the job and get it finished. We've had a lot of people attempt it and they wreck their car, can't finish the job, so don't want that. Gotta be smart. Having experience helps. So leave a comment below. What's the weather like where you live? I'm curious. I'm looking for a new place to move to where this doesn't happen. Got my eyes on someplace in Arizona, maybe someplace in Texas, maybe San Diego preferably, but probably not due to red tape and all that. But yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, push the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. I hope to be making more content